A reference angle is an angle that's made with the x-axis. So remember that a full 360 rotation, that's 2 pi. 180 degree rotation, that's 1 pi. So 17 pi over 12, that fits somewhere in between these two. This is 3 pi over 2, 1.5 pi, right? I should know what this is off the top of my head, but when I make videos, my math goes all fuzzy. So 17 divided by 12, that's 1.42. So that's not quite past 3 pi over 2. So our angle terminates somewhere right here. So to know what the reference angle is the angle that you make when you make a right angle with the x-axis. Okay, so often we want to evaluate trig functions for 17 pi over 12. We might want to know sine or cosine of 17 pi over 12, so we draw a right angled triangle, and this is the reference angle right here. Okay, so that's what we need to evaluate for. So to figure out what that angle is, there's a couple of different ways you can do it. What would be easiest here? Here, we could take the fact that this angle right here is going to be 17 pi over 2 subtracted by pi, right? Because 17 pi over 2 gets us all the way to this terminating side like we just drew right here. And if we subtract this out, what's left is this part of the angle, the reference angle that we want. So 17 pi over 12 subtracted by pi, just got some fraction work to do there. That's 17 pi over 12 subtracted by 12 pi over 12. And that makes 5 pi over 12. And that's it. That's your reference angle. So that's what goes here. If you're asked to find the reference angle for 55 degrees, start on your initial side, rotate yourself 55 degrees, and the right angle is the angle that's made with the x-axis. So this one's just 55 degrees. Now if they gave you like 105, draw 105 degrees. It's a little past the 90 mark. The right angle is the angle that's made with the x-axis when you draw that triangle. Okay, so this is the angle made with the x-axis. If that's 105, then this is what's left over when you subtract 180 by 105. So I get 75 degrees in there.